In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal username on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look so you can share your PayPal handle confidently for payments, tips, or invoices without confusion. We'll keep it simple and straightforward, and I'll add a few helpful notes so you understand what you're seeing on your screen. First, a quick bit of context. Your PayPal username is the handle that starts with the @ symbol, your @name. This is different from your email address or phone number. Think of it like a public tag you can share so people can send you money more easily. It's designed to be simple and recognizable, and it keeps your more sensitive contact details private. Now grab your iPhone and open the PayPal app. Make sure you're logged in. If the app asks you to sign in, just do that as you normally would and return to the main screen. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or the profile icon. Tap that icon to open your profile. On the profile page, focus your attention right under your name. This is where PayPal displays your handle. You should see a short tag that begins with the @ symbol, like @your-handle. That's your PayPal username. There's no need to dig through settings or menus. PayPal places it front and center beneath your display name so it's quick to find. A couple of useful tips here. If you don't immediately see the handle, make sure you're on your main profile page and not in a different section of the app. Sometimes the layout can vary slightly by app version. If it still isn't visible, updating the PayPal app can help since newer versions highlight the handle more clearly. Also remember that usernames are unique and usually don't include spaces. If you're sharing it, share the full handle, including the @ or symbol, to avoid mistakes. For privacy and security, only share this handle with people you trust or in places where you're comfortable receiving payments. You never need to give out a password or any verification codes. Your handle alone is enough for others to find you on PayPal. That's all there is to it. Open PayPal on your iPhone, tap your profile picture in the top right, look under your name, and the @ handle you see there is your PayPal username. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, you're all set to use your handle with confidence.